Greetings to all the parents and students out there. I'm thrilled to invite you to a transformative event that promises to shape your child's future in unimaginable ways. Welcome to the UG Summit 2023. Are you a parent worried about your child's career prospect? After exploring fields or streams like commerce, humanities, or for that matter science, exploring streams like law, mass communication, management. Our UG Summit is a hub of knowledge, inspiration, and career exploration. We are bringing you insights into the 21st century career option that will redefine success for the next generation. We have an incredible guest speaker, Mr. Saurabh Gupta, a renowned career counselor in both domestic and international education. He will guide you through maze of career possibilities, from unconventional careers post law, management, mass communication, and economics, to the other career options as well. Expect informative workshops, dynamic panel discussions, and the chance to network with like-minded individuals and professionals from various industries. So mark your calendars and join us at the UG Summit 2023. Together, let's pave the way for your child's future and let them step confidently into their future.